Hey kids, let's start colors name with alphabets. Good morning. Colors name: green, light green, red, purple color, blue, sky blue, brown color, green color, orange color, yellow color, light pink color, black color, and the last pink color. Come with me. ABC: B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Come with me. Again learn ABC. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. Meow. D for dog. E for egg. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. And Z for zebra. With me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.